Hey guys, welcome back to your favorite channel. In today's video I'll show you a very simple and very effective tip for a face toner. This face toner is going to help tighten your skin. If you have a sagging skin, this face toner is just for you. And this face toner is going to comprise of, this is camwood powder, this is hot water, and this is fenugreek seed powder. So these three ingredients together is going to give you a face toner that will tighten up your skin. So if this is your first time watching this channel, click on the subscribe button below and turn on the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. And if you find this video helpful and useful, share with your friends and loved ones and give it a huge thumbs up. So let's get started. The first ingredient we'll need for this remedy is camwood powder. Camwood powder contains healing properties that is going to repair your skin from ultraviolet rays from the sun. If there is any damage done to your skin by the sun, camwood powder is going to help repair all of that and is going to heal you of any wound or scar you may have. Camwood powder contains toning properties that is going to help lighten up your skin tone. It also contains free radicals that fight wrinkles and fine lines. Camwood powder has that natural glowing properties, which is going to help give your skin a beautiful natural glow, and it's going to help treat your skin of any kind of inflammation or skin irritation you may have. Camwood powder is going to suit your skin and is going to help heal your skin of any bites or skin infection you may have. So the next ingredient we'll need for this remedy is water, hot water. Hot water because it has to completely absorb this ingredient and soak it completely so that it can deeply penetrate your pores and cleanse your pores of all the toxins and dirt in your clogged skin pores, and also help to tighten up your sagging skin. The next ingredient you'll need for this remedy is fenugreek seed powder. Fenugreek seed powder contains high amount of vitamin C. It contains glowing properties. It also contains active agent that fights fine lines and blemishes. It also contains anti-aging properties, thereby reducing the aging process of your skin. It's also going to help rejuvenate and firm up your skin. And to my bowl, I'll add a tablespoon of the fenugreek seed powder. I'll also add a tablespoon of the camwood powder. Then I'll add water in bits till I have the consistency I desire. So we'll just mix this up. Remember, you don't have to prepare this face toner in large quantity, you just need little quantity. So we'll just make a little face toner that you can use up for in 4 days. You can use up this face toner. Then when you want to go ahead with the remedy, you just prepare a new one. So this is the consistency we need for our face toner. So we'll just go ahead and stir this up until it's completely combined and there's no lump in this. So after stirring this together, we'll allow this to sit until it's completely cooled. Then we'll strain the shaft out because we just need the liquid for a face toner. So guys, I'm back and our remedy is completely cool. So we'll just stir this up a bit, then we'll go ahead and strain out the shaft, and we need just the juice. So our face toner to tighten up saggy skin is ready. Look at this, guys. Because of the fenugreek seed, it's a bit slimy, but it doesn't have any negative side effects. It's very, very gentle and skin friendly. So you can go ahead and store this in your refrigerator for not more than 10 days at most. So make sure to prepare your remedy in small quantity so that your leftover won't be too much. To apply this remedy, it's either you go in with your spray bottle, you turn this into your spray bottle and just spray it on your skin, or you go in with a cotton ball or a cotton pad. You just dip it in like this, and massage this around the area with saggy skin. Massage in circular motion, just like this. This is to stimulate circulation around the area you want to tighten. After massaging, you massage for 5 minutes. After that, you allow it to sit on you until it's completely dried out, so that your skin can absorb this richness inside, thereby cleansing your pores and getting rid of any residue or dirt you may have in your skin pores. Then it's going to tighten up your skin, and it's going to also give you a much younger and beautiful skin tone. This is basically a face toner, but also it's going to tighten up your skin. After it's completely dried, you go ahead and wash it up with water. You repeat this remedy 4 times in a week for about 3 to 4 weeks for excellent results, and come back and share your results with me in the comment section below. Let me know how it turned out with you, and also share this video with your friends and loved ones. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos on this channel, because I upload very useful and very effective videos just as this one on this channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.